This is a tour of my friend Emily's mom's kitchen and her obsession with cocks. Exhibit A. Baskets. Cocks. Exhibit B. The magnets on the refrigerator. Cock. 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 Let's take a walk over here to the bag holder. Take some nice plastic bags from these big cocks. Over here near the stove, you got your nice stove. Oh, what's that I see? That's a cock. That's a cock. That's a cock. That's a cock. That is, those are all. Let's move a little over here. Oh, what's this? We got a placemat. Guess what's on it? I wonder. I don't know. What are these? Some nice cocky mugs? Some nice cocky cookie jars? Some nice cocky plaques on the wall? A nice cocky painting? A nice cocky something? My friend and her towel? And then let's take a look at the wall. I'll show you it sideways. We got cock painting here, 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 here. Oh, what's this? A cocky sugar holder. A cock made of seeds. A cock phone charger holder. The cock lover's son. This. We got some nice cock decorations over here. We got a cock chime. A cock clock.
Cock-a-cock-a-doo.
Oh, over here, another cock clock. We got a cock hiding up in the corner. Oh, we got a cocky calendar. Cool.